Welcome back to the channel. On this episode, we're going to fix the gear shift indicator issue on the truck today. Um, you'll notice you're having a problem if you put it in park and the little orange bar that tells you what gear you're in doesn't quite make it all the way over to park. Usually lags to the right of whatever gear you're in, so drive will be second, neutral will look like drive, and so on. So we're going to replace the part that's broken with this little cast piece that I got off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Let's get started. So inside the truck, this is kind of what we're dealing with. I'm in park right now. Obviously the gear shifter is showing it's closer to reverse, and so on and so forth as you go to the right. So to fix that, we're gonna get inside here. There's a little white module. I'll show you once I open this. It's right behind it where that gear indicator connects to, and we'll show you what's broken and we'll replace it. So right up in there you can see kind of where it broke, where it's separated here. That's the adjustment for fine-tuning it. Looks it broke in half, so that's all that slack right there is what's throwing the indicator off on the dash. Right underneath the cable there's a 5.5 millimeter bolt. So we're going to take that out, unhook the line that's going up to the dashboard, that little cable back there, so that we can, if you can see it right on the other side of my finger there, that little cable. We'll have to get that unhooked, feed the new bracket on, bolt that on, and tighten it all up. And then we'll use this knob to adjust it accordingly. So first things first, I'm going to shift it into 1 so I can get some more slack on this cable. Bring that all the way down. And yeah, you can see we got a lot more room here to work with this. Alright, so now we got this unbolted, right at the end there, behind this piece that's hanging up. It's hooked on, so I need to get my fingers up there and undo that. That's kind of what it pulls on and transfers the position up onto the dash. So let's see if we can get that off of there. I don't know if you guys can even see this, but there we go. Alright, so right on the end there's a little hook that goes deep into the abyss there. You'll see it, or your fingers will see what your eyes can't. So we'll just pull this off. Obviously we got to save that adjustment wheel. This comes off. We'll need the fastener for that. And then we'll put it back together in reverse order. Alright, so there's what we had. This is what we'll be replacing it with. And then our adjustment wheel is going to drop right in there, which is more than likely going to be your broken section that you guys are seeing. And this has little detents on the side of the wheel there, which once we get this all assembled, you'll see it'll kind of lock in each adjustment. So let me get this put back together, because it's hard to record and do this at the same time. You can't really see what's going on, but we'll catch up with you when it's put back together. Alright, key thing to note when putting this back together, you can see how I have it hanging out from the left side of the steering wheel. the top of this, where it connects up there, should be angled to the right. So you can put this on backwards where this piece on top is angled to your left. And also this adjustment knob, you can see it's threaded for that plastic shaft inside, only screws on one way. So make sure you test the knob on this plastic shaft before you drop it in this holder and start going to town. You can chew up the end of these threads. So now we're gonna get it back into place here. We'll put our bolt in behind there. I'll get the end of that cable hooked up. Actually, I'll hook that up first and then I'll pull this back down. But again, you can't really see anything. My hands are covering the whole view. So let me get it all hooked back together and we'll make our final adjustments. Okay, we got it all bolted back together. That's hooked on the hook up there, the end of the rope, the string. Now we'll just check where our alignment is. It's kind of just guessing. So a lot better than it was. Let's see if we can make the final adjustment here. If I rotate it, I'm going to have to tighten it. And you can see it's bringing it over. That looks pretty good. Let's run it through a couple more gears there. Reverse. Drive. So you're always going to have that little bit of play in there, depending on where your shift linkage lands. But that's a lot better than what we had. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all the support, all the new subscribers. Thanks for following along on the journey. I know it's been focused a lot on this truck repairs. We'll get back to doing some travel trailer stuff once the weather breaks, and maybe look at some projects around the farm. So thanks again. Appreciate it. See you guys on the next one.